All right, got the rear subframe prepped for Z Nationals Track Day 2021 this October. Let's see here. Already had the HICAS eliminator bar installed. I have the Z1 solid subframe bushings done. Let's see, also the SPL Parts rear diff bushings. Got those installed. And let's see here, SPL Parts, also rear upper control arms, both done. Powertrix rear traction rods, both done. Let's see here, ball joints replaced where the HICAS tow rod connects to the knuckle. Got those done. Also new ball joints in the lower control arms down there where they connect to the knuckle. Let's see here, new red line fluid for the rear diff, and also energy suspension, polyurethane bushings throughout, all here on the knuckle, both sides of course. And I think we're good. I will never do this job again for any amount of money. I think we're ready.